What you're about to see is not humanly possible, and yet this man did it in a Champions League of quarterfinal away from home. So the cross in front of the left flank, three Juventus defenders are right there. There's no angles, there's no space. Most players will let it go, but this isn't most players. He times. This is what this. He times his jump to perfection. His body goes completely horizontal, mid-air, both feet above his own head, and his right boot he connects. The ball screams into the far top corner. The goalkeeper, Bevan doesn't move. Nobody moves because nobody can believe what they just saw. So see, watch this, watch this. Cristiano, CR7, Cristiano Ronaldo has making the history with a beautiful and fantastic bicycle kick in the history. One, two, three, boom!